Good morning, children. We will continue the exercise question number 3. In the given figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. See the line first of all. Line is ST line. That is the baseline. What they are given, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. First of all, angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degrees because this both of a linear pair of angles. We'll see the diagram here. This both of a linear pair of angles. Angle PQS plus PQR equal to 180 degrees. Now, angle PQR equal to 180 minus angle PQS, we have to send that side. See children, angle PQR equal to 180 minus angle PQS. This is equation 1. Did you understand what I wrote here? See, this is a linear pair of angles, that's why PQS equal to PQR 180 degrees. Now PQR I kept this side, remaining term that side I am sending, that is PQS, equation 1. Now we will see that side. So this is a linear pair of angles. So PRT plus PRQ equal to 180. This is also linear pair of angle only. See children, now PRT plus PRQ. Okay. Angle PRQ equal to PRQ. Keep this side. Remaining term that side you can send. So why we are doing this like means, see the question. What is there? Angle PQR equal to PRQ. We need to solve this one. That's why. So angle PRQ, keep this side only. And angle PRT you can set that side, means 180 minus PRT. This is equation 2. Condition 1 given there, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Now we know angle PQR, equation 1. From equation 1 what is there? 180 minus angle PQS. Angle PQR instead of what we need to write here? 180 minus angle PQS equal to angle PRQ. Instead of from equation 2 what we need to write? 180 minus angle PRT. Now 180 we need to send that side by equation 1 and 2. Angle PQS keep this side, 180 we need to send that side, means see children, minus angle PQS equal to 180 minus angle PRT plus 180 that side going means minus 180. Now angle PQS equal to 180 cancel, plus 180 minus 180 cancel. What is there remaining? Minus angle PRT. Now minus cancel. Therefore what we got answer? Angle PQS equal to PRT. That is only they are asking. Yes, we prove. Next question. Hence proved. We'll start next one. Hi children, continue the exercise. Question number 4. In the given figure, if x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. See the figure. Here given one condition. What is the condition? X plus y equal to w plus z. Means this is a line, AOB line. This is x plus y and this side also z plus y they are given. But this is a complete angle. What do you mean by complete angle? Means the sum of angles equal to 180 degrees. 180 plus 180, 360. That is for complete angles. So x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360. This is a complete angle. That's why x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360. Okay. Next. Because of this is a complete angle. Next, see children, x plus y equal to w plus z. So in this place, x plus z place, now I am writing here x plus y. Because of this both are equal, in condition only they are given, that's why. Okay, in this x w plus z place, x plus y we need to write here. X plus y plus x plus y equal to 360. Now how many x are there? 2x, 2y. 2x plus 2y equal to 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y equal to 360. Now 2x plus 2y, 2 is common. So 2 we should take outside. Outside means common. X plus y equal to 360. 2 here multiplication doing, x plus y equal to 360. 2 is multiplication doing, that side going means division. 360 by 2. by 2. Therefore, x plus y equal to 180. Do the cancel, we will get 180. X plus y equal to 180. Therefore, x and y makes a linear pair. AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Line means that is, this is line. AOB is a line. Okay children. This is 3 and 4. Thank you.